What's up everybody, welcome to Bonsai in Haag. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to prepare this tree for the show. This tree is actually not show ready yet, but I'm doing my best to get the best possible into the show. So first thing I will do, I will clean the lifeline and then I will clean the dead wood. Then I'm gonna show you how I will get some moss and I will put maybe a few detail wires and remove the... So let's get started. So first thing I will do is to remove all this loosened bark so that I will bring the bright red color of the tree. This way I can get a nice contrast with the white of the dead wood. Now it's time for the moss preparation. As you can see, I already started here, and you have to try to accentuate the features. Like I put some moss over here so that you can see the nice root here and also here.
Ben je klaar met de mos?
Now I will most everything, so here you can see that I hide and accentuate some roots. Now I still need to cover this part over here and then the moss will be done. Now the moss is all done, all around. This is a week before the exposition, so when the exposition, the show start, I can still retouch and make sure everything is nice. So now we're entering the final stage of this preparation for the show. Just clean the pot, and now I will see what I can do in the detailing. I'll put the time lapse on and then do the whole everything that's growing down. I'm gonna readjust a little bit the branches, take out everything that's white in the moss here, and then I will see if I can have any inconsistency with the dead wood, and at least I have here some raffia that I still need to take out, and then we are finished for tomorrow. And I will also prepare the small accent plant that I have for together with this tree. I already cleaned the table, and now it's just the final stage, and so let's start. Here we are at Bonsai van het Westen. I'll show you the event and how my tree is over there. So let's go.